Valentine's vlog. Thanks very much. If you've not yet subscribed, we're on YouTube. Please give us a subscribe on there. We're also on Instagram, Ride UK 2020, and we are also on Facebook, Ride UK. If you subscribe, like I say, thanks very much for your support. But yeah, a bit warmer than Leigh's here tonight in Leigh. Silcocks, good family fair. There's some cracking machines here. It's not the biggest fair, but some really classic good machines here. Starting with this amazing looking Sizzler. Not a PWS one, I don't think, but it definitely looks quick and it's immaculately presented as well. Really good. We've got the Miami here as well. Freak Out down the back. Bit of KMG. And then we've got Dodgems down there as well. And we've got, right in the background there, we've got the classic Walser. Silcocks Walsers are obviously legendary in the Northwest. If you've not been to a Silcocks fair, get yourself down here. It's £2 a ride, 50p off with the voucher. So £2.50 and £2 with the voucher. If you're in the Northwest, Silcocks travel all over the Northwest. There's a number of Silcocks fairs operate within the family. If you want to follow them on Facebook, find out where they're going. It's official Silcocks Fun Fairs. But yeah, we're going to get out some rides and have a good time.
Change your mind, come out tonight, and follow my footsteps.
There we are on Silcocks Classic Flicker. Not a PWS model, don't know what model it is, I might have to ask to be honest, but I know it's not PWS. But we're going to back the cycle first, and then forward. Here it goes. So smooth. Straight into it. Oh yeah. Saturday night cycle. This is fast. And we're still going, still on the massive cycle, still at full power. Classy ride.
Okay, let's try the other way. Hold it extra tight.
Bit of a breather. This is Paul, by the way, he's one of my mates. Dragged him along tonight. Woo! Forward cycle. Whoa! I've got a feeling this is going to be faster. Hold tight. I think we're heading straight into it again, no messing around tonight. Straight back into it. Here she goes. I am trying to hold on. forward cycle. The backward cycle was arguably faster than the forward cycle, but we must have at least had about, I think, a good 3-minute cycle on there. £2 a ride. You cannot argue with the value of Silcocks Fairs. The £2.50 with the 50p off voucher. Like I say, it's the last night of Silcocks tonight. If you want to check out where they're going next, check them out on Facebook. They travel all over the northwest. There's some really good machines, and on Saturday nights there's fantastic cycles. Well, that is an amazing twist. Like I say, I'm not too sure whose it is. It's certainly not a PWS, but I think it's certainly the same appearance as Gallagher's twist. But if you know whose twist it is, or who manufactured it rather, then drop us a comment and let us know. Silcocks. We've done the couple of goes on the twister. We've done dodgems. Not feeling the freak out tonight. To be honest, they are starting to pull down. As you can see, actually, as the waltzer's operating, they're actually starting to pull down the waltzer. So last night here. I'll put in the description where they're off to next. But check Silcocks out on Facebook. Really good value family fair. Some great rides. As you can see, we've loved the twister tonight. Not too sure who made it, but I'm going to try and find out. I know Gallagher's have got a very similar one. Yeah, freak out not tonight. Just had a burger, and we're going to head back now. Like I say, the fair was on till 9. It's just before 9 o'clock now, but cracking freak out. Really good looking freak out that, and the Miami as well. So we got Silcocks Miami, good looking machine with a good lighting package, and the KMG Beauty. So we'll get on one. There will be a freak out on the channel. I've not done a spring ride since XXL at Hull last year, so tonight, just not feeling it. But we'll sign off now. Thanks very much for watching. We're on Facebook. Don't forget to find us on Facebook, Ride UK, and we're on Instagram as well, Ride UK 2020. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Ride UK on YouTube. And until the next one, bye for now.